Hello guys, welcome back to App Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to turn off chill zone into your Discord. So now in this topic we have a little catch. You will get so many videos about how to off chill zone into internet, and most of them says that just simply type P and Q and press enter and it will be disabled. But it's not that simple. Whenever you experience a chill zone into any of Discord DMs and message section of any server, that might be because of probable spam that you are doing into that server. Now, in this case, the simple thing that you have to do is to wait for some minutes and the chill zone will automatically be removed. Otherwise, if it's not changing, you just simply have to go over customer service and report there, and then your problem will be solved. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.